Hi guys, if your 8BitDo Ultimate 2C isn't connecting to your phone or your iPad, it's usually because of the wrong mode. So in this guide, you are going to learn the exact way to pair it with your operating system. So on the 8BitDo Ultimate 2C, you need to first of all switch to the D input mode before pairing. Now iOS supports the controllers that behave like standard HID devices. So using the X input over Bluetooth may not be detected properly. After doing so, turn off the controller, then simply hold the pair button or the start plus B button until the LED starts flashing. This is going to make it discoverable to your iPhone or your iPad. Afterwards, you just have to open the settings of your iPhone, then come inside Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth. Now, once the Bluetooth is turned on, you are going to see the list of the devices. So among these, you just have to find your controller, then press the connect option right next to it. Once it is paired, the LED will become steady. Now, after the connection, you just have to simply open the game that supports the controller, like Apple Arcade titles. Not all the applications support the external controllers, so testing is important here. So you can try these steps and you are going to get your controller working smoothly on iOS. So thanks for watching.